In this tutorial today I will be showing you quick and easy way to fix those rips and tears in your favorite puffer jacket or your favorite clothing. What you will need is a matching thread along with hand sewing needle and scissors. To start off with, I'm going to thread my needle and make a sewing knot at one end of the thread. Also, before I start stitching, I will inspect the hole to make sure it's clean and there are no loose threads. If I find any, I will cut them off. Next, I've got the rib together as best I can, and I folded in tiny bit of one ripped side to go over the other. I'm going to make sure I hide the knot inside the rib by stitching inside first. That way the knot won't be visible from the right side, and it will stay hidden. Now I will be grabbing a few strands at each side, starting at the one end of the holes. So again, I will be grabbing few fibers on one side and few fibers on the opposite side of the opening. And then I will continue all the way until I reach the end. So I'm pulling it very gently, and it's going to bring the two sides together and close the hole completely. So I will continue this until the end of the ripped opening. Finally, I'm going to tie a knot here and hide about an inch or two of the thread in the puffer by inserting the needle here and pulling it away from the stitch, away from the fixed hole. Now I feel it's secure enough to cut off the thread. And the ripped hole in my puffer is fixed. So this technique works on any clothing that you have, any puffer, and it's very secure. If you like this tutorial, subscribe my channel, like this video, share it so other people can benefit from it and will teach themselves how to fix their clothes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.